Okay, this is my 2000 Maxima, right? The engine died on me. I have all kind of rods leaking, misfiring, slipping of the transmission, right? And other things, motor mount problems. If you can see, my car's dead. I was trying to start it for you, but I'm afraid of all the noise it'll make. I need some kind of help to rebuild this engine. And I'm leaking all kind of oil. I know, yeah, you can see it on the ground. I'm leaking oil coming from the back. Power steering leaking, transmission leaking, slipping. So, is there anybody out there that can help me rebuild this engine? Alright, let me give it a try. See if it will start. Hold on. Hear that? It's saying my battery is weak, but I have a jump box. Let me put my jump box on it. Okay. Now, I have connected my jump box onto it. Connected my terminals. And now, we're going to try and start it. Hold on. As you can see, nothing. And even put my jump box on it. I even put my jump box on it. So, can somebody help me?